Hey, this is Bill with Current Water Sports. Today I'll be showing you how to change your prop on your MasterCraft boat. So now we're ready to remove the prop. We're down here underneath the boat. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my side cutters and remove the cotter pin so I can easily remove the prop nut. Now that I have the cotter pin out, it's time to get the nut off. To get the nut off, you can either use a ratchet with the right socket, which we use a 1 1/16, or you can use an adjustable wrench. Whatever you have handy, both will do the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the ratchet. And to keep the prop from spinning, I use my feet. At this point, it's time to get the prop completely off. Sometimes the prop will come off like that with no pressure at all. Sometimes you'll have to use either a hammer or a knocker, and we can show you that as well. Right here is a key takeaway. I only had to hit this shaft once. In most cases, you'll have to hit it hard 5 to 6 times before the prop will release. You'll know when it releases and the prop will slide down the shaft as it does here. So with a little bit of maneuvering around the rudder, I was able to get the prop off. So now that we have the old prop off, or the damaged prop off, we're going to go ahead and replace it with the new prop. So same as before, you're going to have to wiggle the prop around the rudder. Once it goes in, the prop is actually splined on the inside. There's no wrong way to really put it on. It can be put on backwards, but there's numbers that are stamped in the front, so you always want to be able to see the numbers of the prop when putting it on. As you can see, I had to wiggle it around there, but I didn't force it. Now that I've got it up on the shaft, the spline's married up nice and well, and actually slid up to the top. I have to hold that on with my hand. Take the prop nut. At that point, you can kind of relax, grab the tools needed. It's like I did before. I'm going to use my feet to kind of help put pressure on the prop, so when I'm tightening it down, I have a little bit of leverage. Now that the nut is tight, we're going to go ahead and insert the new cotter pin. Take the side cutters. We're going to bend the cotter pin so it does its job. And now we're good to go.